Experience full 360 vehicle monitoring with the CNMZTIND ultra-wide-angle vehicle camera system. Every blind spot is a potential risk. For commercial fleets, visibility means safety. CNMZTIND's 180-degree ultra-wide-angle vehicle camera delivers a wider field of view with crystal-clear 1080p high-definition image quality. Monitor the rear of the vehicle in real time, helping drivers reverse safely and reduce accident risks. The left and right cameras provide extended side coverage, minimizing blind spots during lane changes, turns, and complex road conditions. Front, rear, left, and right full 360-degree all-around monitoring for complete vehicle awareness. Powered by advanced H.265 video compression technology, CNMZTIND provides smooth high-definition recording while reducing storage usage and transmission bandwidth. Designed for trucks, buses, taxis, logistics fleets, school buses, and commercial vehicles, CNMZTIND helps improve fleet management and transport safety. Smarter visibility. Safer driving. Professional fleet surveillance solutions from CNMZTIND. CNMZTIND, protecting every journey.